Introducing Repricer, the #1 Amazon repricer for optimizing your pricing to win more buy boxes, increase sales, and maximize profits. Unlock powerful insights within your Repricer dashboard. See how your sales, revenue, and profits have surged and how much was attributed to repricing. Monitor your recent buy box ownership and identify products that narrowly missed the buy box, enabling you to take action to win them back. Analyze your best performing products, including buy box status, revenue, and total units sold. See who you're competing with for the buy box so you can craft winning strategies to outperform them. Finally, keep on top of your live repricing and monitor your buy box wins and recent repricing activity at a glance. Managing your Amazon feedback has never been easier with the ability to monitor your average seller rating while viewing both positive and negative reviews from the past week. You can then conveniently respond to any recent negative reviews directly within eDesk. Keep your prices synchronized across everywhere you sell to stay competitive and maximize your profit potential. Getting started with Repricer couldn't be easier and can be done in 3 simple steps. Step 1, connect your channel, whether it be Amazon or eBay, and link the marketplaces you sell on. Sign into your seller account and we'll link it to your Repricer. Step 2, set specific repricing rules on how you would like to compete. This can be choosing to target the buy box, include or exclude specific sellers, filtering the competition by fulfillment, stock level, shipping, feedback, and more. You can choose one of our professionally crafted repricing templates or create your own for total customizability. Step 3, set your minimum and maximum prices. This will ensure you're staying competitive whilst having peace of mind knowing that you're never selling at a loss. And that's it. Once you breeze through the setup process, you can begin repricing. Our exclusive Safe Mode option allows you to see repricing working in real time without affecting your live prices on Amazon. Then, when you're ready to go, just flick a switch. Our team is always on hand and here to help 24/7, and will guide you through the entire process to ensure your repricer is set up for total profitability. So if you want to increase